Okay, here we go again on number 9. Length of green ivy with shamrocks is to be placed around the outer edge of a clock. So that lets us know right off the bat we're doing circumference, right? If the clock has a radius of 9 inches, how many inches of ivy will be needed to purchase? So we have got circumference and we are working with radius, which is 9. So we're going to use the 2 pi r as our circumference since we have the radius. 2 times 3.14, r is 9 times 9 is 56.52, which rounded to the nearest number is 57. So that is that one. Number 10, we've got a semicircle. That means half a circle. The radius is 12. We want to know to the nearest inch the outside, so the circumference, okay? Circumference is 12 pi r. So let's come back over here, and then we're also wanting to know the area, so we're just going to go ahead and do both of them while we're over here. Okay, so the circumference, 2 pi r is 12, 2 times 3.14 times 12 is 75.36. We want half of it because we're only doing a semicircle, so that would be 38. Oh no, what did we do wrong? Let's see. Oh, we needed to do this bottom part too, so we needed to add 24 to it, which would be 62. We didn't add that in, so okay. So made a mistake, that's okay. Okay, now they want to know the area. So let's come back down here. The area is pi r squared. We know that r is 12. 12 squared is 144. 144 times 3.14 is 452.38. That's the area of the entire circle. We're just wanting half of it, so divide by 2 and we get 226. So that's correct. Number 10 was sneaky, the A. Okay, so this is the last one. We've got a right triangle here, okay? This is the hypotenuse of that right triangle. So we're needing to know, they're wanting the circumference and the area, but for that, we need to know how long this is. Do y'all remember what we would use for that? And I'm hoping you're thinking the Pythagorean theorem. So let's come back over here. We've got a right triangle. We know 2 sides. We're looking for this one. These are the legs because they form the right triangle. So they're our A and our B. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. 4 squared plus 3 squared equals C squared. 4 squared is 16. 3 squared is 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. And then we take the square root of both sides. So this side is going to be 5. The diameter of this circle is 5. So circumference with diameter is pi times diameter. So 5 pi. And the area, which is the, okay, so that would be 5 pi. Let's go ahead and do that. The area, they're wanting to know the area of the yellow portion of the circle. So it's basically going to be the area of the entire circle minus the area of the triangle. So just use the formulas from your formula sheet. The area of a circle is pi r squared. The radius would be 2.5 because the diameter is 5. 2.5 times 2.5 times 3.14 would be 19.625. And if you look on your formula sheet, the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. This is the base, this is the height. 1/2 of 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 1/2 of 12 is 6. So if you take the area of the circle, the whole thing, and subtract the area of the triangle, which was 6, you get 13.6, which is this right here. Awesome. So I hope that you all worked through each of those problems. If you didn't, go back and work through them on your own and see how you do on them. Now that you've had an explanation, I know it'll kind of be fresh in your memory, but still try to work them and see how you do on them. These are the types of questions through here that you may actually have on the GED, and they will not always have a picture shown to help you picture it. You may have to draw those pictures yourself. So just